How to unfollow someone on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on this one icon. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now head towards the profile of the person whom you want to unfollow. Just click on the avatar of that person. With that, you will land to the profile page of that person. Now, at the top right corner, you will find three dots. Click on it. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of Manage Friendship. Now, click on the option of Remove Friend. Click on Remove. And just for that, you have unfollowed that person. At the moment, you won't find the option of unfollow in your Snapchat. By removing them as a friend will unfollow them automatically. Well, this way you can easily unfollow anyone on Snapchat. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.